Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Policy707 coming at you with another video. So guys, it's that time of the year. It is almost Christmas. Happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. Have a great, happy holiday and safe holiday with your family. So I got a package from the Funko shop. So guys, I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of hits. Well, I should say there's several hits, but a lot more misses during the 12 days of Funko at the Funko shop. I mean, it feels like you have to have a bot just to win, or to successfully purchase items from the Funko shop. But anyway, that's a topic for another video. So guys, just got this package in. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I had it for some time, several days now. I'm waiting to open it and unbox it for you guys. So let's get right into it. So I always love getting stuff from Funko shop. They always package their pops very nicely. I wish all retailers took note of how to properly send pops. So there's the invoice. Comes bubble wrapped in a sorter box, which is always awesome, and I definitely appreciate. So you guys can guess what it is. What do you guys think? Go ahead and hit pause and then leave a comment below. Tell me what you guys think it is. Alright, and for the rest of you guys, let's see, it is... Here, let me take it off. It is... Bow. It is Elf. Buddy Elf. Funko Shop exclusive. Really cool pop. I'm not sure if this one's still available or not. I know it didn't sell out right away. I know, like, very cool Batman, Pillsbury Doughboy, Mickey, of course, those sold out relatively quickly. But let me give you a nice close-up. Here's the front. This has a nice red and green holiday sticker on it. Limited edition, Funko Shop exclusive. Here's the side art on the box. Back. I'm still looking for the Walmart exclusive Elf, Buddy Elf. Side. It's minty fresh. Beautiful box. It's like perfect. So, well, there you guys have it. I mean, this is a short, brief video. This is my haul from the Funko shop. I figured since it's close to Christmas now, I went ahead and do an unboxing of a festive pop. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a safe and happy holidays from my family to yours. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and have a Happy New Year. We'll see you all again in the next video. Take care.